We all have got a role to play. The lioness, she stalks her prey. He's bleeding in the tall grass, and where his thrashing makes him easier to follow. But when she gets him in her claws, she'll invite him in, because her cave is not a home without him, just a hole that is lonely and hollow. And can't you see the writing on the wall is drawing us together? It's written there in soot and ash and blood, and that's forever. And so if you are terrified of what you hide, remember that I'm still on your side, and that's forever. Forever heard. We all have got a role to play. You'll be filling yours someday, and I'll be filling mine. Until then we're killing time, hunting monsters in our minds. And when I see you standing strong, pretending you don't want to play along, I'll never make you blue, tackle you into a pile to unwind. And can't you see the writing on the wall is drawing us together? It's written there in soot and ash forever. And so if you have been denied your love, your pride, remember that I am on your side, and that's forever heard, forever heard, forever heard. And I don't have to argue, everybody knows you have issues. You lay your colors bare, I'll be there when you finally decide to bare your heart. It's the part I want to share. And I don't have to argue, everybody knows you have issues. You wear them on your sleeve, so to speak. I'm not a thief, the only jewels that I need are your diamonds. I find them following bows and arrows in your words, the words behind your broken teeth, the broken glass that's underfoot and palm of the mind, or whatever nonsense you believe. The fast unknown laid out ahead, the tears and anger good and bad, the big adventure still ahead, and palm whispers break the red, whatever I will understand. And can't you see the writing on the wall is drawing us together? We're written there in soot and ash